Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is Transaction Management Using Demand Response and Fact Devices. Now we are going to discuss about our product abstract. An approach is proposed for transmission line congestion management in a restricted market environment using a combination of demand response and flexible alternating current transmission systems. To achieve this aim of two-step market clearing procedure is formulated. In this first step, generation companies bid to the market for maximum their profit and ISO clear market based on social welfare maximum network intersection include those related to the congestion management are responsible in the second step of the market clearing procedure. This paper developing using the mixed integer optimization techniques displays formulation for the second step in which demand response and fact device controller are optimizing control coordination with the conventional generator. Reconstruction in the electrical power industry has been led intensive usage of transmission grid in a competitive market environment. Transmission companies usually maximize and lines transmission systems and construction a new transmission line is not straightforward as is centralized plant systems. Thus, in the high demand periods, the system operation near end transmission capability limit with security margins being reduced. The load and is required the operation to manage and response operating systems in which connecting voltage and power flow limits and the congestion management method proposed this paper is based on the combination of fact device demand response progresses. The decreasing enhancement reliability of this resource is a decreasing rate of the response failure. In addition, deploying the response approximate the locations. Now we are going to discuss about our product flow diagrams. This is the flow for IEEE bus system. We are getting from the input for bus systems. So like 9 bus, 14 bus, 24 bus, 30 bus, 57 bus. So we consider any 3 buses we are considered data set get the value 14, 24 and 57. The bus system having the voltage and generate power and power loss, real power and react powers, whatever maybe that we get that, and then add load for the demand. So and then we are going to the using the optimize the algorithm using now this paper using the G algorithm, genetical algorithms. We are using that processor and then generator power. What kind of the purpose to finding the increasing and set of the organization for the demand response formulations is presented the proposed systems as like we are using the demand response binding formulation and demand response allocations economic model of elastic demand. So those we are using that process GESF. GSF means generation shift factors is used the addition in the index could be the either positives and negatives or the effective demand response implementation. Those buses with the negative indicates selected from this ranking process where higher priority is given to the index with greater magnitude. However, these sections creation is subject to the availability of response from the demand identification at locations. The load model developed the following the sections will be used quantity as expect demand response load buses and then economic model of the elastic demand. This section drives the elastic demand model based on the increase and penalty together with the customer benefits functions the purpose of estimation the demand response capabilities. This provides the economics basics of which demand response aggregations each locations identifications the formulation the locations. So marketing what are the we are getting those profit and benefits, what like that. This process is going that this sections. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure. This is our main program for files. So this is our main coding for this, and then there is all the four sub functions for subsystems. So now I open the running the program, and then it will. So this is our output for the bus datas, rail power, react power, and thing. So this is a bus datas and the line datas. So output for that. The final output it will be give the we are using the PCO and genetic algorithms. So both we are using the algorithms. So this is our the initialization for the initial stage, and then output for the bus systems. So what are the getting our bus data and line data and generating cost. So what are the we are using the formulas. So it's all give it. So this is the main algorithm functions. So bus data, line data, real power, react power, generate real power, react powers. So it will be the give the initialize that process, and finally get the output for. So final output. So bus selected bus generator power emissions.